And viewers, Telugu film star Allu Arjun has been arrested in connection with a tragic stampede that occurred during the premiere of his highly anticipated film Pushpa 2 on December 4. And now the court will hear his plea, which seeks quashing of the FIR in which he has been named. This court hearing will come up at 4 o'clock. Remember, this incident resulted in the death of a 39-year-old woman and left her son in critical condition. During the investigation, police arrested 3 individuals, one of the theatre's owners, its senior manager, and the lower balcony in charge. Now, the actor had earlier apologized and announced financial assistance of Rs 25 lakh to the family of the deceased woman. But now he has been arrested by the Hyderabad police, and the political blame game is also erupting over Allu Arjun's arrest. The opposition is asking why he has been arrested when there was a clear negligence of the organizers and the police department, which failed to prevent the stampede that took place at the site. However, he has been now taken to the hospital for a medical checkup, after which Allu Arjun, the Telugu superstar, the Pushpa 2 superstar, will be presented and produced inside the court, where the hearing will take place. First on his remand, which the cops will seek. The other hearing in the court that will be key today will be Allu Arjun's plea, which seeks quashing of FIR. His lawyer has sought an urgent hearing. Listen into more with my colleague Veera.
This kind of frenzy is not restricted to Hyderabad or Allu Arjun. It is something that happens for every big southern star when a movie releases on the first day, first show. In fact, this has been a long debate in the South. There have been court cases about allowing movie screenings at 4 a.m. and 5 a.m. in the mornings to avoid, to prevent the screening of such movies at that time, to avoid chaos for the general public. So that's really the question that's being raised right now. One has to go into the facts of the matter. Obviously, as you point out, the private security is saying that they had informed the theater owners, and the theater owners had informed the police about the fact that the star was going to arrive there for screening, which meant that then there should have been security and cordoning off of that area, etc. Just reverse the issue a little bit, Divya. If the star arrived there and in mob frenzy, if a star was injured, there would be enormous hue and cry over why there was not enough protection given. So that same thing applies to the fans as well who are going there. Because this is part of the socio-cultural ethos of South India, where when a film comes out, there is this kind of frenzy. So the question really being raised is that should the star also be held accountable? So these are questions that will have to be probed into in detail. It's not just about one star. It's a larger issue that needs to be addressed. Obviously, the FIR here names both Sandhya Theatre or management as well as the star as well. So there are no simple answers to this, but the question of whether prior information went from Allu Arjun's security to the theatre owners, did the theatre owners inform the police? Were the police capable of providing security enough? Was this all planned in advance? Those questions will have to be looked into very seriously.
My colleague Uma Sudhir is joining me for more on this. Uma, we are hearing the court will hear Allu Arjun's plea seeking quashing of FIR against him at 4 o'clock.
There are two things that are happening. That the medical test of Allu Arjun has been completed at Gandhi Hospital, after which he is on his way to Nampally Court, where the police is going to seek his remand. Judicial remand or police remand is something that is open to the court, what they will decide to do. But there is a second plea that has been filed by Allu Arjun, and that comes up in the Telangana High Court, and he has asked for a quash petition, and he has said, in fact, that the cases against him should be quashed, and that case is to come up at 4 p.m. What we do know is that the police had earlier itself tried to prepare the remand report for Allu Arjun, and that is ready, which means that they are keen on going ahead and arresting him, as in sending him to jail or to police custody. But Allu Arjun on his part has moved court asking for time and asking for quashing of the cases against him. There are two other developments that have happened. Megastar Chiranjeevi has suspended his shooting and has in fact gone to the residence of Allu Arjun along with his wife, and also Nagababu, who is brother of Pawan Kalyan, brother of Chiranjeevi as well, and who is slated to be a minister in the Chandrababu Naidu cabinet. They are all, of course, family and therefore together. Chiranjeevi's brother-in-law is Allu Arjun's father. That's how they are related. But interestingly, the chief minister has now reacted. Revanth Reddy has said that law is following its course and that he has no role to play in the arrest or otherwise of Allu Arjun, and there is no reason for any political meaning to be read into this. The context of the chief minister's statement is that BRS leader Mr. K.T. Rama Rao has targeted Revanth Reddy and said that this is a pinnacle of insecurity by the chief minister, and blaming the high-handed attitude of the Congress government in the manner in which Allu Arjun was picked up and arrested. And BRS leader had in fact said that in that case even Revanth Reddy should be arrested for having caused the kind of psychological distress he did to people through the demolitions of Hydra. This is something that he has tweeted on X, and he had in fact blamed the Congress government. BJP leader Raja Singh has also reacted, and he has said that this is in fact a failure of the police here in Telangana, and for them to target a celebrity is wrong, and it is the police administration that should take responsibility for what has happened. So he has once again said that arrest of Allu Arjun is not right. The third reaction has come from YSRCP leader Lakshmi Parvati, who also happens to be the wife of former Chief Minister of erstwhile Andhra Pradesh, Mr. N.T. Rama Rao, and she has reacted saying that in all this she sees a conspiracy by Chandrababu Naidu, and she feels sorry that Allu Arjun has been arrested, and she's making a reference to the Pushkar that happened during the time that Chandrababu Naidu was Chief Minister in his first term as Chief Minister, and at that time 29 people had died in a stampede. She said was Chandrababu Naidu held responsible for it, and she's quoting other multiple instances where during stampede deaths there was some celebrity presence or some occasion because of which a stampede death happened, and at that time the person is not held responsible, and therefore she's seeing a Chandrababu Naidu conspiracy angle in this. The other reason why Chandrababu Naidu's name is being drawn into this is also because Allu Arjun was seen to have campaigned for a YSRCP candidate in the run-up to elections that happened earlier this year. Along with the general elections, the state elections had also happened, and therefore, Allu Arjun, in a sense, was not really on friendly territory when he went to Andhra Pradesh, even for the release of his film and so on. Of course, the films have released everywhere, but this unfortunate incident that happened in Hyderabad now, on the 4th of December night, 9:30 is when this has happened.